It's now the time of the midweek analysis video, and before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So in this video, my friends, I'm going to actually continue analyzing the market, starting from these signals which I have sent to you last Saturday on the weekly analysis video, and as usual, we will start with the Euro USD. So as you can see, thankfully my prediction for this pair was correct indeed, and the Euro USD has indeed fell down. Of course, it hasn't been triggered from my sell level, but however, at least the prediction was correct. Now, what's next with this pair? Well, actually, for a starter, if we look right here at the Fibonacci retracement, we can notice that the pair has just made the bearish breakout from 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and it seems like it's going to continue the fall till it reach 23.6. Now, there is a reason for saying that, because right here, if we look carefully, we had, of course, right here a broken level of a support trend line, as we can see. So, based on the daily chart, the market made here 1, 2, 3, and finally 4 attempts of the support trend line. Now, pay attention to the last attempt. The last attempt was really so poor. I mean, it can barely even count as an attempt. And however, because of that, there was a weakness in the level, and the market indeed has continued the falling down for about 55 pips. Now, however, the pair is approaching our take profit level, but I believe that we can continue selling this pair as soon as possible if it actually makes any pullbacks upon the pressure from the support right here at exactly our target 1.072. So the Euro USD will most likely hit this level of the support and then bounces back all the way back to 38.2. And if we look carefully, there lies a strong level of a key resistance that surely cannot be ignored. And for that reason, I would actually send this, I would really recommend to sell the Euro USD exactly at this level of 38.2, targeting 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. So for that, let me just now edit the signal, and let me just tell you that exactly that's going to be our safe zone, exactly just like this. So as we can see, I'm just editing my signal from the last weekly analysis video. So the sell this time will be placed exactly at our 38.2 Fibonacci retracement at 1.072, 76. For the take profit level, of course, it will be right here at the lowest level of a key support at 1.064. As we can see, the target also was a strong key support level. So there, we might actually expect a bullish reversal on the Euro USDY to respect, or actually to retest, the broken level of the support trend line and to create a strong level of a resistance trend line. But until then, let's continue selling the Euro USD. That means that we can actually target at least 117 pips of profit, and the safe zone will actually be around 44 pips. That's everything for the Euro USD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Pound USD, guys, was really perfect signal. I'm so happy and proud about it. It has been indeed triggered, as we can see right here, and it went in about 100 pips of profit. So I really hope you guys have taken this signal and enjoyed making profits with extreme trader style signals. So of course, if you did, please don't hesitate to share it with us in the comments, and of course hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, what's next with the Pound USD? First of all, I would like to delete the entire old signal to have a clear chart. Now, as you can see right now, if we would like to separate this structure right here that we're having to a fake and real levels of support. So as we can see right there, exactly right here at 1.259, that was, of course, a real level of a support. Then we had here the fake breakout, and then this pin bar right here, based again, guys, on the daily chart, this pin bar right here actually represents a real level of a support. Then later on, we had another fake breakout. So entirely, we have two fake breakouts right here. Now we are having a real level of a support, and again, real level and 3 levels. So meaning we had here 3 levels of a real support, and here we had only one. However, for Monday's candle, the market actually showed a strong bearish movement, and as we can see, it has indeed broke out from that level of a support. That indicates a continuation in the fall, because even right here, if we check carefully, right there also we have a broken level of a support trend line as well. So that means this is of course the support trend line with 5 attempts at least, and then the market fell down below that level. So meaning the pound USD will continue the fall at least to reach that level of a key support right here at 1.241. Why right here? Because that is of course the nearest level of a key resistance and the key support as well. So once the pound USD continue the fall to this level, it might actually start a bullish reversal, and it will continue the rise to retest the broken level of the support trend line. But until then, let's continue selling the pound USD. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now based on the 4-hour time frame, I would like to highlight, of course, that we're having right here a strong level of a key support, which means right now we might actually be looking for a pullback to happen. If that happens, then we can start shorting the pound USD very soon. If the pullback happens, let's mark right here that we had indeed a real level of a support exactly at 1.257. Now, let's analyze this level. So as we can see, it was a strong key level of a support, even right there and right here as well in the past. Continue going to the left side and we will see something interesting. There exactly. We can notice that the same level, let's just be accurate, exactly. So the same level actually was a strong real level of a resistance before the bullish breakout happened, which means that is the nearest level of a key resistance to that bearish breakout candle. And that exactly where we want to short the pound USD after it makes a pullback to another 27 pips. Not to mention that we also have right here a small minor level of a resistance, which is also on the same level of the nearest level of a resistance. So by saying that, we will continue selling the pound USD, and let's go back to the daily chart. We will continue selling the pound USD until it reaches the take profit level, which will be right here, of course, at this level of a nearest key support at 1.248, which means we can expect approximately around 90 pips profit from this signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key support right here at 1.261, ranging for about 44 pips. Let me now please write the signal for you. Let's now jump to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD was also a winner signal so far. Yesterday it has been ranging, of course, inside of the safe zone, but however, finally, by the end of yesterday's marketing closing, of course, I mean at night, it went about 40 pips, and right now it's rising again. So right now we are running in total of 26 pips with the AUDUSD. So for this pair, actually, there is absolutely nothing that I would like to change about it, because right now the pair is actually right here on a strong key level of a support. So right now it's making a pullback. It might actually continue the rise to another 25 pips, and then it's gonna reverse exactly at our original sell point. So meaning there is absolutely nothing required to be changed about this signal. It just remains the same. Let's now move to the USD CAD, which was actually a bummer. As you can see, the USD CAD has indeed continued the rise against our sell level, and unfortunately this signal has officially failed because the market has already exceeded the safe zone. So now what's next with this pair? Well, let me just tell you something. Right here, based on the daily chart, we can notice a strong bullish engulfing candle has appeared right here. So meaning Monday's candle was actually a strong bullish engulfing candle. And right now we can actually expect to continue buying the USD CAD instead of selling it. To be honest with you, I didn't really feel right about selling it, but I just had to because of the price action here. And it just forced me to buy it. I mean, I didn't really feel right to sell the EURUSD, Pound USD, AUDUSD, and the USD CAD as well. I felt that there is something not right about it. However, it's my mistake. What happened, and let's now see what we can do next with this pair. However, based on the daily chart, I would like to highlight that right here exactly, we do have a very strong key level of a support, as we can see. So right there, based again, guys, on the daily chart, right here, a strong key level of a support, and again, it was a strong key level of a resistance. Then it was also a key resistance, and finally right here, that, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Now here, that is actually the nearest level of a key support to that bullish engulfing candle. So right now, if the USD CAD is gonna ever make any pullbacks, which seems like it's going to, because the candle right now is losing strength, it might actually reverse exactly right on that level, and then it will continue the rise. So far, everything seems to be bullish about this pair. This bullish engulfing candle has changed actually everything about this the previous analysis. So right now, if we look right here at the support trend line, however, exactly just like that. Now we do have here, of course, a real level of support, a trend line, and then a fake breakout number 1, fake breakout number 2, and then again the same level of a real resistance, a support trend line has indeed been respected again. So if the pair is gonna ever make any pullbacks, it will continue the reversal exactly right here to reach the same level of the support trend line, plus of course the real level of a support right here. And for that, I would like to send a signal to buy the USD CAD after it fall to another 18 pips exactly from this level, and of course targeting the nearest level of a key resistance, which lies exactly right here at 1.369, which means we will be targeting almost 140 pips of profit, and a safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging much lower than the previous level of a key support right here at 1.350, ranging for about 50 pips, I would say, against 140 pips of profit. Let's now move to the pound GPY. Oh my god, that was really amazing. It was really a perfect signal. Guys, come on, give it to me. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video, guys, spread the word, and of course, hopefully you can blow the comments about the signal if you guys have taken it. It was just really so precise. I mean, I really miss sending these signals about the pound GPY, and thankfully I was lucky this time. My analysis for the pound GPY was just so accurate. The reversal has occurred with almost a zero drawdown exactly at the given price of the sell, and it went all the way to the take profit level, making exactly 126 pips of profit. And notice the reversal happened exactly at the take profit level, so meaning it was so precise. I mean, I'm so proud of it. And even yesterday I have sent here on the free group of Telegram, telling my members and followers here on this free group of Telegram to close this signal right now with 90 pips of profit, because I didn't really want to risk any unexpected bullish reversals right here on this level of a support. And by the way, guys, this free group of Telegram is completely free. You can join it. You can find the link in the description below of this video. You can join it today and you will receive one free signal every day from our VIP group. So it was a winner one, and I'm so happy about it. But now, what's next with the pound GPY? Well, first of all, I really shouldn't be bragging so much about it. I have failed 4 times analyzing the pound GPY, and thankfully, finally, I have succeeded with my analysis. Now, what's next with this pair? Well, not really much, because we will continue selling this pair. However, I would like to highlight the strongest real level of a resistance, which lies exactly right there at 190.851. Now the problem here is that the pair is going to take around 50 pips to reach that level, and I think it's going to be worth it, guys, because first of all, let's continue analyzing it. We are having here, of course, a real level of a resistance, which was, of course, a real level of a resistance all the way right here, multiple attempts. Finally, right here before the strong bearish breakout happened, this was the nearest level of a key support to that bearish breakout candle. Not only that, but if we look closer, we can see clearly right here that we had also a broken triangle, exactly just like that. So right now, if the pound GPY will continue the rise, selling right here exactly is going to be ideal. First of all, it was here the nearest level of a key resistance, which will be retested. Second of all, the broken channel right here, or the broken triangle, will be also retested, and the broken level of a support trend line most likely is going to create here a new level of a resistance trend line, and afterward the market will continue the fall. Now, just to confirm this, I would like to zoom out like this, and now let's pay attention that we have here in general head and shoulders patterns has been completed, which means again that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. To see it actually better, let's go to the weekly chart, even to the daily chart, sorry. Right now we can see it very clear. The head and shoulders pattern is completed right here, and again I really would like to sell this pound GPY exactly right here after the retest of the broken level of a support at 190.851. Now, if that happens, we can actually continue selling it till it reaches the nearest level of a key support exactly right here at 189.704, which means we can target at least 114 pips of profit, and the safe zone should not actually exceed our previous entry at 191.312, which means the safe zone should be ranging only for 46 pips, I think, against 114 pips of profit. That's everything, my friends, for the pound GPY. Let's now move to the USD CHF. Alright, so for the USD CHF, as we can see, it went indeed in the right direction, but unfortunately hasn't been triggered. It has reversed just like 11 pips far away from the entry, which is really a lot. And right now it's running in 66 pips against, it's in our favor, but it's really far from the original entry. So now what's next with the USD CHF? In my opinion, the pair is going to continue the rise. The current bullish momentum seems to be strong. The dollar is getting some strength right now. And as a result, I believe that the pair will continue the rise till it reaches the resistance at 0.911. Now, where exactly we can expect a pullback to happen? Because right here, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, right now the USD CHF is indeed approaching that level of a resistance. So meaning there must be a reversal point where we can continue buying this pair if it ever makes any pullbacks right here. For a starter, I would like to highlight that this level right here, of course, was a strong level of a key resistance at 0.902. Let's now scroll to the left side and find if this level was indeed a strong level of a key support in the past. And as we can see, indeed, right here, that was indeed the nearest level of a key resistance, which became later a strong level of a resistance right here. So meaning this level of a support, let's highlight it, it will most likely gonna be respected again if the market if the market is ever gonna make any pullbacks right here and continue the rise exactly from this point. So therefore, buying the USD CHF exactly at 0.902 after it makes a pullback to another 34 pips is gonna be our best point to start buying this pair again. Of course, targeting the same resistance right here, which means our take profit level is gonna remain 91 pips of profit. And the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much lower than the previous level of a key support right here and right there as well as 0.898, which means it will be ranging only for 37 pips against 92 pips of profit. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And that's everything, my friends, for the USD CHF. And now about the gold. The gold right now is actually trying to make some correction, in my opinion. And until now, we really cannot do anything about the gold. I still cannot send any signal. I know that many of you guys are following me here to because of the gold analysis. And thankfully, my analysis on the gold is having a very high winning ratio. But unfortunately, I cannot risk my reputation and just send you any signal because of that reason. We have to be careful. And until the gold reaches the level of a resistance right here at 2,222, I really cannot give any signal at all. We don't actually have much of data to read about the gold, in my opinion. So therefore, to keep everything safe, I would like to skip the gold again for this midweek analysis, and hopefully on the next weekly analysis video, we might actually give a scalping signal on the gold based on the 30 or 15-minute time frame. But until then, I cannot really give anything. I mean, right now, we don't have much a clear view here. No need to give anything here. I will just wait for the next weekly analysis video. So again, guys, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and watch out for our more videos. I will try to upload a live trading video this week, and also we might expect a late week analysis video and hopefully a Friday analysis video. And surely we will have a live trading video on the unemployment rate and the non-farm payroll news on this coming Friday. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.